Hello everyone and welcome back to school. I hope that all of you had a nice half-term week break and are ready to get back to work. We have a really exciting week and half-term planned for you. This week on Thursday is World Book Day. How exciting is that? Your teachers have loads of things planned for you, and we also have been able to select a book just for you, and you're going to be getting a free book for World Book Day. How exciting! Now, in addition to all that, we have lots of Easter activities that are going to be happening, and of course Lower Key Stage 2 have been practicing their spring performance, and they're going to be creating a really lovely play for us that they're going to be sharing with all of us as well. So lots of things happening. Now, on a Monday, you remember it's Challenge Assembly, and we talk about one aspect of Year of Being Healthy. And today, that is about learning. Shall we look at some different ways that we learn and things that we do learn? Learning takes a lot of different things into account. You can learn things in school and outside of school. In school, we do a lot of different kinds of activities, like learning about our bodies and how they keep them healthy, and about being kind to ourselves and being kind to others, and strategies like mindfulness and yoga to help us be more calm. We do learning outside and learn new skills that we might be able to use later on. And we learn about how we are part of a community and we help each other. Learning is important, and every day we come to school learning new things, no matter which class we're in. Sometimes it's with music and sometimes it's with dance. Sometimes we have people that come and talk to us to help us do more learning. We learn how to do things outside, whether it's when we're on a residential or out in our own school grounds. Sometimes we do our learning on computers, or we learn about things from a long, long time ago, like dinosaurs. We always take the opportunities to be creative, to make things, to enjoy it, and to not be worried and scared about a new challenge. Even our teachers take on new challenges every day and come back to class and share that work with you so you can learn how to write, how to do maths, how to read, how to play with each other and learn from each other, no matter what age you are, from nursery all the way to year 6. When we first learn how to do things, they can be a bit scary, maybe a bit hard. What we need to remember is that it's okay. We are all in it together. We might be learning how to do things like singing, or maybe learning a new sport like cricket, or maybe we're learning to draw. We'll learn to do these things in school, out of school, no matter where we are or how old we are. We always need to remember our school motto: persevere, believe, achieve. Okay, this week I want you to identify, make a list. Maybe it's something in your head, maybe it's something you write down, of all the things that you've learned to do this week on Friday. So on Friday, that list of things. I want you to try some new things, and I want you to remember our motto: persevere, believe, achieve. Remember that. Are we ready? Okay, it's all about learning this week and being excited about learning. Have a fantastic week, everyone, and I will see you on Friday with lots of awards. Bye.